back to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Based at the authentic manga collection written and illustrated via way of means of Hiro Mashima, Fairy Tail Eden Zero is an area technological know-how fiction shonen TV anime. The tale revolves around a boy named Shiki who's delivered up with inside the subject park planet Granville via way of means of robots. Circumstances compel him to depart his homeworld with cosmic social media influencer Rebecca Bluegarden and come to be an adventurer. After studying that his adoptive grandfather, the Demon King Ziggy, attempted however did not discover Mother, the deity who created the universe, Shiki makes it his personal intention and ventures past the limitations of his cosmos to search for her. Eden Zero Season 1 premiered across the world on August 26, 2021 on Netflix, which had 12 episodes of 25 minutes each. Studio JC staff evolved the collection with Shinji Ishihara and Yuzi Suzuki helming the direction crew with Mitsutaka Hirota main the writing staff. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. The 12th episode at first aired on June 27, 2021, nearly months earlier than the anime's worldwide highest quality on Netflix. So the intermediate duration among the displaying of the 25th episode and the discharge date of season 2 at the streaming will possibly be at the least a plenty time. Considering all this, we will expect Eden Zero Season 2 to pop out in Q4 2021. In Season 1 finale, Shiki and the others discover Sister, one of the lacking shining stars of the Demon King. With Pino's help, Shiki rescues Rebecca and the alternative ladies taken captive via way of means of Illega. Jin kills the imposter sister for mendacity to him. The team of Eden Zero escapes Guilist proper earlier than the Chronophage arrives and eats 200 years of the planet's time. Sister joins the brand new team of Eden Zero at the side of Moscow. Meanwhile, the Interstellar Union Army leads the infamous Dragon Joe of the Eurasian Seas Buteyka in the various escapes from the Guild. The season ends because the team unearths Hermit, some other member of the Shining Stars. In Season 2, Shiki and the others will possibly need to visit the digital planets Digitalis to persuade Hermit to go back with them and rejoin the team of Eden Zero. This will now no longer possibly be smooth as Hermit has come to be disappointed with humanity. Later this week inside the season, they could exchange and pass researching out Valkyrie, the fourth member of the Shining Stars. At a few points, they may come up Shionami, the self-proclaimed and fourth wall-breaking narrator of the anime. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.